Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Fiat 500 rear wiper. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely. You will need a new 12-inch rear wiper blade, specifically designed for your Fiat 500. This simple replacement usually requires no special tools, making it a quick and easy DIY job for anyone. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, you'll need to rotate the old wiper blade 90 degrees from the arm. Look for a small release tab or clip near the connection point. Press it firmly and slide the old blade off the arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new 12-inch wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated and won't detach during operation. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Before driving, activate your rear wiper with some washer fluid to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively, providing a streak-free view. This quick check confirms your installation is successful. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your clear rear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.